So guys, as you can see, we have two models here and both of them look like made out of paper which have no thickness. Normally what we do to increase the thickness, we extrude it, like selecting the faces, then pressing on E, but still we need to fix these problems. And when we go for these complex models, that's a real pain. So what's our solution for that? The solution is really simple. Select your model, then go to modifier tab, then search for Solidify modifier. As you can see, we already have some thickness here. Now increase the thickness. Also there is several options here like mode, simple, complex. You can play with this. See, now it's looking cool and it have even thickness everywhere. Let's do it for second one. Add modifier, solidify modifier, increase thickness. This method is mainly for simple models like this. As you can see, there are several problems here. The thickness is not even in this part, but it's a quick fix. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.